Welcome to Display Museum. I am Dr. Pan, the curator of the museum.
Hello, Dr. Pan. I'm Greg. I came here to learn about TN LCD screen.
Hello, Greg.
TN is the abbreviation for twisted pneumatic. The main difference between TN, HTN, STN, and FSTN LCD is the view angle. From the definition, the maximum view angle of TN LCD is 90 degrees. Take this TN positive LCD for example. The view angle is 6 o'clock direction, and it can be seen very clear in the 6 o'clock direction and the front side. When it is a positive and reflective display, it can display without LED backlight. When it is a positive and transmissive or transflective display, it can't display without LED backlight. The background color is gray and the letters are black. When it is a negative and transmissive or reflective display, it can't display without LED backlight. The background color is purple-black, different color from different view angle, and the color of the letters is the color of LED backlight. By the way, no matter if it is a positive or negative display, the background color is affected by the color of the LED backlight on some level. That is why the color of LED backlight is usually white. Theoretically, we can add a blue film to the TN negative LCD. It may look like this. Actually, from our experience, no one has done it before, since HTN or STN negative LCD with blue background looks better with wider view angle. TN LCD is the most commonly used since it is the cheapest. The maximum COM is 4, so it can't display too many segments, and it can't be used on the high-end devices, but it performs very well in the simple display content, calculator and alarm clock.
Thank you, Dr. Pan. Now I got it.
You are welcome to contact us if you have any questions.